Hello YouTube, this is Salam. In this video I'm going to build a rack so I could store my hydraulic auger for the backhoe and all the bits for it out of this scrap steel that I have. I hope you enjoy this video. Luckily I have enough scrap steel and it's the right dimensions for this project. I'm going to use these pipes. They fit perfectly in these bits, just little bit of play. And I'm going to install or weld enough of these pipes to hold the 3 bits that I have for this hydraulic auger, and also to store the bits for my boss hole digger for my tractor. I also have this pipe. I cut it to size and I drilled it. So in addition to the weight of this unit on the pipe, this pin keep it in place, because I'm planning to build this rack where I could lift it with my pallet fork on my tractor, so vibration or the movement will not cause this motor to tip or fall down, and this may damage it. To give you an idea why I'm doing certain thing, this scrap metal, it's already been cut, rectangle tubing 1/4 inch thick, and I will use my pallet fork to pick this assembly up. To extend them, what I'm going to do, I'm going to weld these angles, and then the C channel will sit on them like this. Also, the hydraulic motor will sit in the center of the C channel. I'm going to drill a hole with the welder using 6011 rods, and then I will weld this over here. This way, if there is any mud or anything collect inside, I could clean it easier. And now I'm ready to start assembling this project. I am using the table to help me square this. I finished welding it last night. I flipped it and I welded in this area to add strength to the angle in this rectangle tubing. I grinded it to the best that I could, and now I'm ready to paint it. I'm going to extend the barrel and add something so I could lift it with the forks on my tractor. This way I could protect the motor and the hoses from the elements so they don't get dry rotted. When I bought the backhoe, it came with these 3 bits and the hydraulic auger. I haven't used them since I bought the backhoe. All 3 bits, they're missing the starter bit, and I also need to repair these. I'm going to replace this carbide with cutter like this one because I'm going to use it with the clay and mud, so I don't need this. This will be in separate video, so please stay tuned for that. Now I'm going to set the camera and see if my tractor capable of lift this whole assembly. If you are interested in duplicating my work, these rectangle tubing, they measure 10-inch wide, 4-inch height, 8-inch deep, and they 1/4 inch thick. The angles, they measure 35 inches. Like I said, this is scrap metal, so I cut them to the shortest length. And I end up from outside to outside, measure 39 inches. The fork on my tractor, they measure 42 inches, so they will stick out just a little bit. I space them 30 inches from center to center because the distance between the fork right now is 30 inch from center to center, so they should fit perfectly. The C-channel, it's measured 5 feet, and the pipes, they already been cut. 4 of them they cut to 8.5 inches, and 2 of them cut to 7 inches. However, they strong, they support the bits real well. If you have any more question, please ask them in the comment, and I'll be happy to answer your question.